नब बरे है नबी बरे अजीब नब बरे है नबी बरे जय लेंगे जिगर दोना क्या लेंगे बुरी बुतम मौला जुलबु सिकम जोला जुलबु जोला जुलबु जोला जू अजीब नब बरे है नबी बरे अजीब नब बरे है नबी बरे जय लेंगे जिगर दोना क्या लेंगे बुरी बुतम मौला जुलबु सिकम जोला जुलबु जोला जुलबु जोला जू नची दुले पे माधोबे दिरे यारे रे माधोबे नची दुले पे माधोबे दिरे यारे रे माधोबे दिरे दिख पर लप गुदे गमरे इरे लप दिरे दिख पर लप गुदे गमरे इरे लप बुरी बुतम मौला जुलबु सिकम जोला जुलबु जोला जुलबु जोला जू अजीब मो ओकुम तो अजीब रो ओकुम तो अजीब मो ओकुम तो अजीब रो ओकुम तो चिंत पुते हरला जू निमिन सोमिन मिला जू चिंत पुते हरला जू निमिन सोमिन मिला जू बुरी बुतम मौला जुलबु सिकम जोला जुलबु जोला जुलबु जोला जू अजीब नब बरे है नबी बरे अजीब नब बरे है नबी बरे जय लेंगे जिगर दोना क्या लेंगे बुरी बुतम मौला जुलबु सिकम जोला जुलबु जोला जुलबु जोला जुलबु जोला जू
Upper Subansiri district and southern part of Lower Subansiri district and state as a whole, particularly the Nisi community of Pai, Pere, Pade, Pa, Chikom, Teli, Tudum, Ter, Tabio, Uchu, Uru, Kum, Kaing, clans and bangos in a spiritual manner with traditional gati. The Buribut Yulo is rather a recent adoption of the traditional Buriui, which is also known as Butui. The etymological meaning of Buribut Yulo is conglomerations of gods and goddess. Ui refers to all spirits and divine force which are believed to control the universal activities. Accordingly, the unanimous choices of all the people for celebrations of Buribut Yulo on large scale as community festival in the year February 1967 at Raga and was inaugurated by Daingiring, the then Union Minister, keeping in view of the emergence of the Buriui or the Butui as the festival of entire society in administrations to the creations and evolutions of the universe and the mankind. Being descendant of Abotani have been performing the Buriui since time immemorial to rededicate the entire force of nature, Doni Polo, sun and moon, Cheet Dot, the earth and sky, and all the Almighty by the Nib, priest, who is God gifted with extraordinary spiritual power, with Bo, co-priest of Sibo's sermon call upon all the god and goddess. On doing so, he also conveyed the gratefulness of the mankind to all the benevolent forces due to which the human beings on the earth procreate, prosper, and remain happy and also pray for their continued blessings. The Buribut Yulo is performed to eradicate the eruptions, natural calamities, epidemics and prosperity harvest of agriculture products and also warmest depositions towards mankind. It celebrates in every year of month February Rajopal which solemnized from 3rd to 7th February. Several traditional dances such as Buri Jajan, Moj, Nitin, Durum, Pumin Jarnam, etc. are performed during the celebration in which we express our happiness and appreciation to Almighty Doni Polo. The ute rice powder, taki, ginger and opo wine was mixed and sprinkled each other after sacrifice of sob maton on Ragi altar which believed to abundance of that divine will purify the soul. May Almighty Doni Polo bless you all.